Hello everybody, hope everybody's having a great day. Wanted to give you guys another little walkthrough here. Just wrapped up a showing at 11:30 Bimini and thought it would be a great opportunity for anybody that missed the open house the other day to have a look. So 11:30 Bimini is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, right on the water, great boat access, outdoor cabana, little bath, you got a pool. Let me show you a little bit of where I am so you can see for yourself. Here we go. New dock and a new seawall as well, with 2 power pedestals, one on the west side of the dock and one on the east side of the dock, and a super nice Neptune boat lift here. The dock does also come with these built-in snook lights that they put in. They have a hot tub up on the patio, nice pool, upstairs little dining area or whatever you want to do with it. It's a great big space. The home is roughly 2,600 square foot. Let's go inside and take a look. One moment here. These are hurricane roll downs, so you can store everything in here, roll them down nice and simple. And this door will take us straight to the kitchen. There we go. Nice galley style kitchen here. Now we've got 2 bedrooms and 2 baths downstairs. The half bath I'll show you as well as downstairs. Great little Florida room here with plenty of light and view of the water as well as the pool. And that would be the entryway as well as the living area. And this goes to the 2 bedrooms here. Both downstairs bedrooms have an ensuite bath. We'll go check out the other one now. Great size. This home does also have room for a trailer for a boat on the side of the home, or possibly a motorhome depending on the size. And if anybody does have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can reach out to us on here or give Meike or I a call. Here's the downstairs half bath, powder room. And we can take a look at the garage as well. There's a little bonus room here in the garage area. Nice garage space. Little bonus storage right there. Now here they have a unique little room, which could be a captain's quarters or an office. So this is off of the garage. It does also have its own entry. So like I said, it could be a spare bedroom or an office. And this would just be your utility room here. Now it's time to go upstairs, take a look at my favorite part of the house. And that would be that upstairs patio. Let's go. Here we go. Great view. A lot of room to entertain. And for those of you that are thrill seekers, easy access to the pool. I don't recommend it. Let's go take a look at the last 2 bedrooms. So these 2 beds share a bath up here. This could all also be converted to a fantastic master suite. The whole upstairs. This is the bath they share here. Shower here behind the doors. And powder room as well. So we will go into the last bedroom. Nice size. I, for one, love the ceilings. Great light in here as well. And again, no shortage of size here. So I am going to have to get out of here, get back to the office, but I will leave you with a view of the front of the home so you can see what that looks like as well. Here we go. Nice lush green landscaping. All right, so anybody that has any questions, like I said again, please feel free to reach out, give us a call, and hopefully we can answer any questions you have. Everybody have a great day.